Okay, let me introduce this software. This is a clock in software, mainly to quantify and datify their own work, helping users develop a good habit. So let me just go through this really
Let
quickly.
me
quickly introduce its function. This is the avatar level experience bonus. Greeting name alarm clock achievement icon. Today's time in the clock line chart. Hourly line chart in clock. You can also view weekly and monthly. This is disengagement from work. This is the application catalog. You can check which apps you have opened here. You can also view active only. It's more real here. This is engineering. This is the Pomodoro. You can use it to take advantage of some spare time. Okay. Let me explain its function in detail. Avatar. You can change your avatar after clicking. This is the greeting. It will automatically transform in the morning, noon and evening. Name. You can change it to your own name. Today is your clock in here. How long is the clock in total today? Achievement icons are achieved on the first day. You just need to punch in this week. It lights up. Health work. If you clock in more than an hour today, it lights up. Of course, I don't mean it. I mean here. It doesn't light up until it's been here for more than an hour. Here are 7 consecutive days. It lights up in the clock every day. After 7 days, the icon in the middle will light up. This is the clock in and the stop clock in. Here is the line chart after the clock. Line chart for each hour. Today's. You can also check every day of the week. The workload and the daily workload for this month. This is disengagement. You can set a time here. When your mouse and keyboard are no longer operating. After this time, it stops counting. To get your real workload, here is the application catalog. You can record which apps you have open. How long has it been open? Here is the pie chart. We'll display its percentage. It can be shown here that only activation is available. It's not the ones that are turned on. Which one you are using will start the timer. It's more accurate. You can also choose apps you don't want to record. Press delete to delete it. After deleting it, it no longer records the application. You can cancel it in the app exclusion here. Make it continue to record. This is the project. You can filter and search. You can also create a project. For example, one model. Estimated hours 50 hours. You'll get a 50-hour modeling project. After starting this project, it will start timing. Double-click to enter. Mind map of this project. Of course, I prefer to call it a process node. You can create nodes. You can change its name after double-clicking. You can also enter it directly here. You can also press enter. You can use spaces as partitions. Enter multiple at once. He will create multiple at once. You can use the right click to arrange horizontally or vertically. Press Shift to capture. You can hold down Ctrl. Let's connect them together. You can also press and hold Ctrl to connect together. You can right-click the one in the middle to mark it. Make it show that it is completed. If you think you can too, use the shortcut here to create. You can modify these options. After entering the setting mode, you can modify it. If you feel that this circle is not enough, it also has an outer ring, more, and you can create a new one. Add more options. After entering the setting mode, put it on top and you can delete it. You can save the created mind map, so as not to reinvent the wheel. How about this? You can see him here. For example, you click on a new project. You can add it directly. You can also visit here, for example, if the project encountered some problems. You can record it here. This question is displayed in real time. Tick. Click here to tick it off. It can also be deleted. And here's his Pomodoro. You can just drag the cursor or use the scroll wheel to set a time. Use some spare time. You can select it here and then you can use it on the computer. A floating time appears in the lower right corner. Double-click here to choose its ringtone. You can create an alarm clock here. According to his rules. You can turn off and turn on this alarm clock. Or delete it. You can choose one here. Your favorite background picture. Replace the background of the entire software. And you can control the transparency. You can change the color of the font. You can enter a color code yourself. Here is the exclusion list of the application. It comes in 3 languages. They are Chinese, English, and Japanese. This is developer mode, mainly used to obtain the software runtime. Some bugs triggered. Here it is. Data storage. You can choose 3 days a day, once a week, or once a month. It's backup. It is used to add a guarantee to data security. You can choose whether to turn it on or not. Start and boot clock in after start. After checking, you can turn it on and start this. Software and automatic clock in startup. You can use it more insensibly. Here is an activation code. Of course, I have activated it. It can have a 100% experience bonus. It shrinks to the sidebar. Okay, end of introduction. Just these functions.